Hello students, Jai Sri Ram, how are you? Okay, I wish you are fine, I am also fine. So today we discussed about rank problem, dictionary problem also. So many times one question in IIT mains examination and 11th board examination. So you can watch this video and understood what is this, how to find the rank of any word. There are two types of word always, repeated and not repeated. It means the first case is repetition not allowed. First case is repetition not allowed. Only bio students do understand what is the RNA, ribose nucleic acid. Okay, so repetition not allowed. Okay, repetition not allowed word like Rohan. Rohan, Ohan. Okay, many names. My name Ankit, Ankit. Anywhere. Sonam, Sonam. Okay, so there are many words, many names, many words, many spellings. So there are repetition not allowed. Repetition not allowed, it means no any letter once comes once more. Okay, so rank problem, when you find a rank in dictionary. Okay, let's say example, you have a dictionary. Okay, open the first page is A. First letter is A. Okay, A fix because A is the first letter. Now second B, A B, then after B C, then A C, then A D, A F, A G, A F, all except 25. Except A, all 25 letters will come after A. Same thing, A B fix, then C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Badmasi nahi mittar. Do you understood or not? So same thing, when you find the dictionary rank, so like we select one word Rohan. Okay, so find the rank of Rohan. Okay, so when you find the rank of Rohan, so you have a letter ROHAN. Okay, open dictionary. When you open dictionary, you meet first A. Okay, A. Now you have a letter A. Now how many letters? 1 2 3 4 5. How many letters? 5. 1 2 3 4 5. But first letter is R. So first letter is A. Not this A. Actually start from beginning. Here this in dictionary. Okay, so in dictionary when you open the first page, it is the A. Pass. But before A, how many letters remaining? 1 2 3 4. So after A, how many letters can you adjust? Factorial 4. How? If n things. So how can you adjust? Factorial n. So A is the first letter. So after A, how many remaining letters? 4 letters. So 4, how can you adjust? Factorial 4. Clear or not? I want to say one more thing, like a scooty, electric meter. Okay, kilometer range. First, I think there are many boxes. So first letter circle 0 to 10, 0 to 9, second 0 to 9, third 0 to 9. So first complete 5, second complete 2, third complete. Then every circle rotated. Same thing. First, when you change the page of dictionary, so first letter A, but remaining letter 1 2 3 4. Actually क्वेश्चन इज दिस, रोहन वर्ड से कितने और भी वर्ड बनाए जा सकते हैं? हाउ मेनी वर्ड्स कैन बी मेड विथ द हेल्प ऑफ द वर्ड रोहन? सो देन रोहन व्हेन यू एडजस्ट, सो ए इज अ फर्स्ट प्लेस, देन सेकंड प्लेस, थर्ड प्लेस, फोर्थ प्लेस, फिफ्थ प्लेस. सो ऑल लेटर रोटेटेड, ऑल लेटर्स आर रोटेटेड. और जब ये रोटेट हो रहे होंगे तो रोहन जब बनेगा तो उसका कोई एक क्या होगा? नंबर होगा, प्लेस होगा. दैट इज कॉल्ड रैंक. So same thing, A is factorial 4. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Now H. Second question, sir, why you left B, C, D, E, F, G? Why you left? Actually, this letters is not belong in this Rohan. Clear or not? So next letter is H. After H, it means A से start होने वाले word, H से स्टार्ट होने वाले वर्ड. क्लियर और नॉट? A से स्टार्ट होने वाले वर्ड एंड H से स्टार्ट होने वाले वर्ड. इट मीन्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम A एंड स्टार्ट फ्रॉम H. डू यू अंडरस्टूड और नॉट? यस. सो आफ्टर स्टार्ट फ्रॉम A, हाउ मेनी कैन यू एडजस्ट? A is fixed, so factorial 4. H is fixed, Same thing, factorial 4. Clear or not? Clear or not? Okay. Now after H, I, J, K, L, M, N, M, N, O. N. N is here. Okay. N. After N, how many? 4. Factorial 4. Clear or not? Clear. After N, O. After N, O. O. How many letters start from O? Factorial 4. Clear or not? It means these letters, when you make the other word with the help of Rohan, so this word, once any time letter start from A, letter start from H, letter start from N, letter start from O. Now O, P, Q, R. O, P, Q, R. But R you want. Actually, you want to Rohan. We make Rohan. We find rank of Rohan. So R fix, because R not moved, because the first letter of Rohan is R. So R fixed. Now after R, next process A. Okay. R is fixed. R is fixed. Now the second word A. Second A fixed. Remaining letters factorial 3. Okay. After A, H. After A, H. Factorial 3. After H, N. Factorial 3 free. R, N. After N, O. Oh. ओहो ओ ओ ओ ओ तो चाहिए, ओ तो चाहिए, रिक्वायर्ड ओ, बिकॉज आफ्टर आर नेक्स्ट लेटर इज ओ. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. आफ्टर आर ओ नेक्स्ट लेटर अगेन ए. ओके, सो रिमेनिंग लेटर्स फैक्टोरियल 2. आफ्टर आर ओ ए कंप्लीट. आफ्टर ए एच. आफ्टर ए एच यू रिक्वायर्ड, वी रिक्वायर्ड. आफ्टर एच फिक्स. After A, H fix. Okay. Now next letter R, O, H. Again start A. R, O, like that. O complete. Okay. These all words start from A, H, N and O. Next letter start from R. But R is requirement because R is the first letter of the Rohan. R is the first letter of the Rohan. So R is fixed. Now start again from O, A. So R, A. When you open the page of R in dictionary, so R. Now A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. So now R, O fix. R, O fix. Clear or not? Same thing. R, A. Clear? Okay, no problem. R, H, no problem. R, N, no problem. R, O. O is requirement. So R, O. R, O fix. Now after R, O, you find third letter. Third letter is H. But before H, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Clear or not? So after R, O, A complete. Next R, O, H. After A, next letter H. But H you required because H is third letter in Rohan. So H is fixed. R, O, H. Now after H you search again. O, A. But A is already next to A. H. So R, O, H, A. Clear or not? So next letter is N, because after A, next letter is remaining N. So Rohan complete. How many ways? Only one ways. Clear or not? Fix. Clear or not? So it is a very simple, like a word problem. How many letters can be made from the word Allahabad? So same thing, Allahabad. अब Allahabad में कई ऐसे लेटर होंगे जो L से स्टार्ट हो रहे होंगे. अब उस L से कुछ बन रहा हो और उसकी रैंक आपसे पूछ दे, तो कर हम वही रहे हैं, बट थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है. थोड़ा सा क्या है, एक ऊंची क्लास है, हाई क्लास का क्वेश्चन बना दिया है. सो रोहन रैंक इज 1. सो नाउ हाउ मेनी टाइम्स? 4 टाइम्स इंटू फैक्टोरियल 4 प्लस 3 टाइम्स फैक्टोरियल 3 एंड फैक्टोरियल 2 एंड फैक्टोरियल 1. फैक्टोरियल 2 एंड 1. ओके, फैक्टोरियल 4 24 इंटू 4 96. फैक्टोरियल 3 फैक्टोरियल 3 6 6 3 जा 18 2 प्लस 3. Okay, 21. So 7 11. So rank of Rohan is 117. It means जब आप रोहन वर्ड को हिला डुला रहे होंगे या ये 5 लेटर आप मिक्स करके एक नया वर्ड बना रहे होंगे, तो जो रोहन जब बनेगा उसका जो नंबर होगा, उसकी जो रैंक होगी वो 117 होगी. क्लियर और नॉट? क्लियर और नॉट? यस सर, क्लियर, एब्सोल्यूट क्लियर. आई थिंक सर वी क्लियर. ओके सर, नेक्स्ट लेटर अंकित. Check Ankit. No Ankit. Ankit actually A is first. Okay, Ankit. So now we find the rank of Ankit. A N K I T. Okay, Ankit. Ankit. Not Ankit. You have a 5 letters. You have a 5 letters A N K I T. And when A first, second, N third, K fourth, I fifth, T, that my name. Okay. anyone take, when you make, so n here, a here, clear or not? So when you change, okay, no problem. So there is a mean of the word is my name, Ankit. Okay, first letter start from first letter. First letter of alphabets A. First letter of alphabet A. Okay, put A. But A is the first letter of this word Ankit. So A is fixed. A is fixed, not rotate, but not because A you want. Without first letter of A, you cannot find the word Ankit. First thing, my words. A fix. Okay. Now next letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Okay. After I, how many letters? Factorial 3. Because I. After I, J, K. Factorial 3. A, K, K, L, M, N, N. But N you required. N you want. Because second letter is N. Second letter is N. N is fixed. N is fixed. So A, N. Next letter again I. Oh, factorial 2 because I. So A, N, I. Actually 3 letters fixed. So remaining 2 letters. Factorial 2 you can adjust. So A, N, I, J, K. But K required because K is the third number. K is the third letter of the word Ankit. Okay, K fixed. After K again K. After K fixed. Start from A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, I, J, K, I. Okay, I. But I is the fourth letter. I is the fourth letter. Oh, sir, fix ho gaya. What is this? Sir, it's the fixed, all fixed. Yes, A, K, I, remaining T. So, how many ways? One ways. A, N, K, I, T. After all, every letter of word Ankit is fixed like a number lock. Like a number lock. Sir, now not understood. Actually, like a lock. It is a lock. Okay. It's a lock. And all alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Same. All alphabets in here. All alphabets and all alphabets. It means 4 letters in lock. 4 letters in lock. Listen very carefully. If you understand this, so hope you understand all things of today class. Okay, so you have 4 letters in a log pattern. Okay, so when first circle, second circle, third circle and fourth circle, you have 4 circle and all 26 letters in every circle. Okay, so look, password is NASA. Password is NASA. Okay, first circle round A, B, C, मतलब इट मीन्स एक सही प्लेस पे आके एक नंबर लॉक हो जाएगा तो नंबर क्या बनेगा? नासा. ए, बी, सी, डी, ई, एफ, जी, एच, आई, जे, के, एल, एम, एन को वहां पे फिक्स कर दो. अब पहला सर्कल नहीं घूम सकता. फर्स्ट सर्कल इज नॉट रोटेटेड बिकॉज यू वांट टू फर्स्ट लेटर ऑफ एन. नाउ सेकेंड सर्कल. बट जैसे ही आपने सेकेंड सर्कल घुमाना शुरू किया, पहला लेटर ए. ओ, ए इज द फर्स्ट लेटर ऑफ नासा. ओके, ए फिक्स. Now third circle first, second, third, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S you want, S fix that place. So N fix, A fix, S fix. Now fourth circle A fix. So NASA is in a collinear point. When lock, then lock, open. Same thing, Ankit. When you make a Ankit, first number is A. And what, not mistake, Ankit is the first letter of the word Ankit. A is the first letter of the word Ankit. And so when you rotate the circle, first letter is a. So A is fixed. Now turn off second circle. Now turn is second circle. So when your second circle moves, so when second circle moves, so A pass, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, all passes. Now next letter I, and I is the fourth letter of the word. But when you make cross the circle, so you password is Ankit. Password is Ankit. I where is fourth place. I where is fourth place. So I cannot stop in the second place. So now after I, K. After K, N. But you want to N because N is the second letter. N fix. Same thing I, J, K. Again K fix. Fix. Then I and T the one. Clear or not? So very smart and very simple problem. Next lecture में हम इसको और खतरनाक तरीके से क्वेश्चंस करेंगे. क्यों? क्योंकि वहां पे इस तरीके से क्वेश्चन नहीं होते. मेंस में, इन मेंस क्वेश्चन दिस नॉट टाइप. सो देयर इज वेरी हार्ड टाइप क्वेश्चन. सो हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में डिस्कस करेंगे कि हम और अच्छे क्वेश्चन कैसे कर सकते हैं. सो नाउ फैक्टोरियल 3 6 6 12 14 15. सो अंकित रैंक इज 15. क्लियर और नॉट? क्लियर और नॉट? यस. So today's lecture is a rank problem and a very simple method of RNA. Next lecture, repetition allowed. Next lecture will be repetition allowed and then shortcut. Clear or not? And one more question to everyone. Just like a question is Akash. Oh, Akash is repetition. Okay, Akash is repetition. Okay. Suggest a letter, please. Comment box. Suggest a letter in comment box. Okay. Then you find the rank. I am giving a letter. Okay, Sonam. You find the rank in Sonam and do comment. तो आप सभी लोग सोनम की रैंक निकाल करके कमेंट करो कि सोनम की रैंक क्या आएगी. ओके, सो थैंक यू सो मच गाइस. आज के लिए इतना ही. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम रिपीटेशन अलाउड और भी बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस करने वाले हैं. सो गाइस, थैंक यू सो मच टू ऑल ऑफ यू. जय हिंद, जय श्री राम.